Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about to create a logout functionality that is very easy. When user click on this logout button, it should redirect to login.php and its session should be destroyed. So next what I have to do, I have to create a new page, save this one, logout.php. Now for that reason what I have to do, I have to start PHP tags and then I have to start session at first, and then after starting I have to session destroy, and then after destroying session what I have to do, I have to echo and send user to login.php page, script starting and script closing tag, and then I want to redirect user to window.open, and then this page should open login.php page, and then this should be a self page, and then go to this one. Now whether it is working or not, just I have to provide a link backend for this button, index.php page. This is logout button, provide a logout.php. When user click on this logout button, user will redirect to this page. Here where is page, this is the page. When user reach to this page, we will start a session and then destroy. After destroying session, we will redirect that user to login.php page. Refresh. When I click this logout button, you can see that now user is redirect to login.php page. Now again, user need to provide its email and password, then login. For example, and its password is this one. And click on this login page, user will redirect to index.php page. Now issue is that when I log out, then I will be able to see this home page. So this is not a secure one. I have to make secure this application. When a user want to see this page, so it is very necessary for user to log in at first. Without login, user should not see this page. So this is a admin area. So user should log, then it should able to see this information. Without login, user cannot see this area. So this is a security purpose. So in this way, this is not a secure app. So I have to write code for this application that will make a secure one application. User is not logged, but a user can access for this page. So in next class, I will show you how you can make secure this application. Without login, you cannot access this page. You have to log at first, then you will be able to access for this page.